Continuing some of the steps that you can use at the bar for your students as they're beginners and even intermediate. I use this also with my advanced level classes, and it's the toe, toe, heel, heel. Toe, dig it, drop it, drop it. Dig it, drop it, drop it. Make sure they're putting the adequate pressure on both feet, drop it, drop it. Sometimes they do this, they lift, they think they're making a sound, but they're not making a sound. So you want to do dig it, drop it, drop it. Now, the fun step and exercise that I like to do with the students is travel to the right. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right. If you're a right-handed person, even if you're left-handed, doing tap steps to the left is always a little more difficult, so you have to concentrate a little bit more. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Now, in the more advanced levels, that's going to end up becoming a cramp roll. So that is a fast toe, toe, heel, heel. So that's the cramp roll, but that's probably third, fourth year tap. We'll get into that later. So, as you do other basic tap steps at the bar, hitting trenches. Sometimes the students have a difficulty with this, just hitting in the back there. They want to hit the tip of the toe as they do the tap step. Then they have air trenches. Just another form like a small arabesque, low arabesque on the trenches. And then a fun one, and this is kind of like a jumping jack, but you jump out to the heels and you bring it back in. Sometimes they do heel, toe, and try to figure that out. That could be another step, but that's not this step. Heel, toe. And those are the fun tap steps that we do at the bar.